first sign of a chip or a crack, you should get a repair kit. Save yourself hundreds of dollars by spending about $10 to get a repair kit that you can use to stop the crack from continuing on and making a situation worse and expensive. I bought this one on Amazon. Super hard to focus on it.
Removing any little glass edges.
Oh, okay, so he's with the razor blade, you scrape off any little chips or pieces that might be sticking up.
Dry towel, don't put stuff on it. Center the hole.
Center the hole above the crack so you can see the crack through the hole.
Mm-hmm.
Or the chip.
Yep, the chip.
Cracks are different, right?
Yep. Same kit. I've done both with the kit. Alright, that's good.
This piece is called the resin chamber, and you screw it in. Apparently it's not threaded properly, so he's going to try to trim the edge so he can thread the... What's that thing called again? The tube?
The resin chamber.
The resin chamber's not fitting in, so he's got to manipulate it with a... correct a little issue here. This is not the exact kit that I bought last time, by the way. They're all very similar.
There it goes.
Oh, it's fixed. Do over. Gosh, your windshield's so shiny.
It's not even clean.
Not even clean. Why? You drove it after you washed it? Super cool. With the reflection.
Yeah.
Okay. So he's cutting off the tip of the resin bottle.
Come on.
How many drips?
2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5 on there. See if it's leaking, which it's not leaking. Putting this in.
So does that push the resin down into the
Yep.
chip? Okay.
Then you gotta check from the inside. Good.
Oh, you can see the liquid filling the crack now? To make sure the resin gets down there in the crack?
Mm-hmm. I just have to leave it.
Cool. For how long?
Like 6 minutes.
Okay. So you leave that resin pressed in the chamber for 6 minutes. Don't lose this stuff. This is for the finishing product. This is the UV strip for when you pull the car out in the sun and cook the resin in place.
Do you slightly unscrew it to take it off of the...
Slightly unscrew the first one or the second one that you put on?
The whole thing. They come as a pair.
Okay.
And then you just lift off the little suction
Remove
cup.
the suction cups.
Want another drop up here.
And the UV sheet goes on. Now set a timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes elapsed. Sir, that appears to be more of a 45-degree angle. 90-degree angle, whatever. You cannot do a blade at 90-degree angle.
No. So it didn't disappear.
It doesn't ever really disappear, does it?
It did the one on your car. It's gone.
Yes, this keeps the chips from spreading, which is perfect. And sometimes you can get them so clean that you don't even see the chip anymore. Sometimes you get perfection, and sometimes you don't. Sometimes it disappears.
So